Hello everyone, in this video we'll discuss about ladder if-else statement in C language. In C language, if-else if ladder helps the user decide from among multiple options. In C, if-else if ladder helps user decide from among multiple options. The C if statements are executed from the top down. As soon as one of the condition controlling the if is true, the statement associated with that if is executed, and the rest of the C else if ladder is bypassed. If none of the condition is true, then the final else statement will be executed. This is the syntax of ladder if else. As per the syntax, if the condition 1 is true, then the statement 1 will be executed and control goes to the next statement in the program following if-else if ladder. If condition 1 is false, then condition 2 will be checked. If condition 2 is true, then statement 2 will be executed and control goes to the next statement in the program following if-else if ladder. Similarly, if condition 2 is false, then next condition will be checked and the process continues. If all the conditions in the if-else if ladder are evaluated to false, then default statement will be executed. This is a flowchart of ladder if-else. First of all, condition 1 is to be evaluated. If condition 1 is true, then statement 1 will be executed and control transfer to the end of the program. If condition 1 is evaluated to be false, then condition 2 is to be evaluated, and so on. Finally, if all the conditions are evaluated to be false, then default statement will be executed. This is the flowchart of ladder if-else. Question based on ladder if-else. Write a program to find largest from three numbers given by user with the help of ladder if-else. First of all, inside the main function we have to declare three variables a, b and c, and with printf function display the message onto the screen. Enter values of a, b and c. Every C statement ends with the semicolon. Then after that, with scanf function, input the values of A, B and C. %d is a format specifier for integer values. Then after that, put the first condition. If first of all we have to compare A with B. If A is greater than B, then logical AND operator. Compare A with C. If A is greater than B and A is greater than C. If this condition is true, then printf largest number is equal to %d, and %d display the value of A. A is largest. If condition 1 is evaluated to be false, then control transfer to the else if condition. Then compare B with A. If B is greater than A and B is greater than C, if this condition is evaluated to be true, then largest number is equal to %d, and %d display the value of B. Finally, if all above conditions are evaluated to be false, then printf largest number is equal to %d, and %d display the value of C. Now run this code. After the execution of this code, first of all input the value of A, B and C. The value of A is 12 and value of B is 33 and value of C is minus 17. Now in this case the output is largest number is equal to 33. First of all, these numbers are stored in variable A, B and C. That is, A gets 12, B gets 33 and C gets minus 17. In the if-else-if ladder, first condition is compare A with B. First of all, compare 12 with 33 and compare A with C. Compare 12 with minus 17. Now in this case 12 is greater than 33. Condition is evaluated to be false. False and 12 is greater than minus 17. Again condition is evaluated to be false. False and false, result will be false. Now check the another condition. Another condition is compare B with A. Value B is 33. Compare 33 with 12 and compare B with C. Compare 33 with minus 17. Now in this case 33 is greater than 12. Condition is evaluated to be true and 33 is greater than minus 17. Again condition is true. True and true, result will be true. Now in this case the output is largest number is equal to 33. Now again run this code. Now after the execution of this code, input the value of A, B and C. Value of A is 12, value B is 10 and value C is 90. Now in this case the output is largest number is equal to 90. First of all compare 12 with 10. 12 is greater than 10. Condition is evaluated to be true. Then compare 12 with 19. 12 is greater than 19. Condition is evaluated to be false. True and false, result will be false in case of logical AND operator. After that, control transfer to the second else if condition. Compare B with A. Compare 10 with 12 and compare 10 with 19. Now 10 is greater than 12. Condition is evaluated to be false. False and 10 is greater than 19. Again condition is false. False and false, result will be false. Now if all above conditions are evaluated to be false, then else part is to be evaluated. Largest number is percentage D. Percentage D, return the value of C. Similarly, we can find the largest among four numbers with the help of ladder else if. First of all, we have to declare four variables A, B, C and D. Then with printf function, display the message, enter value of A, B, C and D. And with scanf function, input the value of A, B, C and D. Then after that, check the condition, compare A with B and compare A with C and compare A with D. If this condition is true, then largest number is equal to percentage D and percentage D return the value of A. Otherwise, second condition is to be evaluated. Compare B with A and compare B with C and compare B with D. Now if this condition is evaluated to be true, then the largest number is equal to percentage D and percentage D return the value of B. If this condition is evaluated to be false, then compare C with A if C is greater than A and Compare C with B. If C is greater than B, and compare C with D. If C is greater than D, if this condition is evaluated to be true, then the largest number is equal to percentage D, and percentage D return the value of C. And finally, if all above conditions are evaluated to be false, then largest number is equal to percentage D, and percentage D return the value of D. Now after the execution of this code, first of all input the value of A, B, C and D. Now in this case the output is largest number is equal to 18. First of all, condition 1 is to be evaluated. Compare 12 with 10 and compare 12 with 15 and compare 12 with 18. 12 is greater than 10, condition is evaluated to be true, and 12 is greater than 15, condition is evaluated to be false, and 12 is greater than 18, again condition is evaluated to be false. True and false, result is false. False and false, result is false. Then control transfer to the second condition. If condition 1 is evaluated to be false, then control transfer to the second condition. Compare B with A. Compare 10 with 12, then compare 10 with 15, then compare 10 with 18. 10 is greater than 12, condition is evaluated to be false, and 10 is greater than 15, condition is evaluated to be false, and 10 is greater than 18, again condition is evaluated to be false. False and false, result is false. False and false, result is false. In this case, condition is evaluated to be false. Then control transfer to the third condition. First of all, compare 15 with 12 and compare 15 with 10 and compare 15 with 18. Now 15 is greater than 12, condition is evaluated to be true. 15 is greater than 10, condition is evaluated to be false, and 15 is greater than 18, again condition is evaluated to be false. True and false, false and false and false, result will be false. Now all above conditions are evaluated to be false, then control transfer to the else block. Printf largest number is equal to percentage D, and percentage D display the value of D. This is all about ladder else if in C programming.